Good morning everyone. My name is Rajiv Ramsheke. I am studying in class 4. Today I am going to tell you day and date. Today's day is Tuesday. Today's date is 7 July 2026. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Sharvil Patil from grade 4. Today I am going to tell you today's thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is a little chocolate a day keeps blues away. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Abhitna Sarwar Dolasavan. Today I am going to tell you today's affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on efforts and growth. Please repeat with me. Mistake help me learn.
Mistake help me learn.
I get better
I get better
every time
every time
I try.
I try.
Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Digvijay Suresh Mane from 4th B. Today I am going to tell word of the day. Today word is cocoa. It is pronounced as cocoa. Meaning of the word is beans obtained from the cocoa tree used to make chocolate. Sentence. My mother make a hot cup of cocoa in the cold winter evening. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Michelle McElroy from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. Myself Geet Ankit Mutha from grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Shubhta Mulbos from grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Purvaswa Jadhav from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. My name is Saki Sagar Gore from grade 4.
Good morning everyone. My name is Maithili Suranjit Snakar from grade 4.
Today I am going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today is World Chocolate Day. World Chocolate Day is a global celebration observed annually on July 7th. The date marks the anniversary of chocolate's introduction to Europe in 1550.
World Chocolate Day was introduced in 2009 to global to celebrate the popularity of chocolate. It remembers the anniversary of introduction in Europe in 1550. Focus of the day: to honor the global love for chocolate and recognizing its cultures and significance. Message to the community from Shraddha Olympiad School: share the joy and wrap the love. Happy World Chocolate Day from all of us.
Learning for us, it also teaches a practical lesson in dietary balance. The day teaches about an importance of sustainable farming practices to protect the environment.
Closing thought: World Chocolate Day is a beautiful reminder to pause and taste the life's simple pleasure.
Thank
Thank you.